Hello everyone, Kannada International School Washim welcomes you all. Subscribe our channel right now and press the bell icon for more videos.
Hi kids, it's our environment study time. Kids, today we will see wild animals. Let's start. Wild animals means the animals which lives in forest and they depends on themselves for survive. That animals are called wild animals. Let us see. This is giraffe. 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 Giraffes are the tallest mammals on the earth. Giraffe has long neck. Giraffes are animals that search in Africa. Their favorite food is leaves of plants. They spend almost their lives in standing position. They sleep only 5 to 30 minutes in a day. They run very fastly as 35 miles per hour. Young one of giraffe is called calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Home of giraffe is forest. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. This is fox. F-O-X, fox. Fox is the smallest member of dog family. Foxes are found in all the continents of the world. Foxes are just smaller than dog. Foxes are the mammals that have triangular ears, a pointed nose and whiskers and bushy tail. Foxes are known as being very sharp and tricky animal. The young one of fox is called cub. C-U-B, cub. The home of fox is forest. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. This is lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Lion is known as king of jungle or forest. Lion's face is full of hair. The roar of lion can be heard from a distance of 5 miles. The lion is a carnivore animal. It means lion eat only flesh and cannot eat vegetables and plants. The lion is an important part of our ecosystem. Lions are kept in zoo and in national park. The young one of lion is called cub. C-U-B, cub. Lions are lives in den. D-E-N, den. Kids, are you like singing? Yes. Now we sing a song of lion. Let's start.
I am the jungle king, the most majestic thing. I am the ferocious mighty lion of cats, I am a kin. My head's crowned by a thick mane that makes lionesses look plain. I live in a group that's called a pride. Over my territory I reign. While I guard the cubs of my pride, the females hunt side by side. They hunt much better than the males, but let the males eat first with the pride. I rest in the shade all day, saving energy to hunt for my prey. My roar is so very loud it can be heard 5 miles away. In Africa and Asia I'm seen, in grasslands and woods green. Although I swim well and I'm a cat, on trees I'm rarely seen.
This is zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Every zebra has unique pattern of black and white strips. Zebra runs 40 miles per hour. There are three main species of zebra, that are plain zebra, mountain zebra and gravy zebra. Zebras are found in Africa. Zebra is a herbivorous animal. Herbivorous means they eat leaves of plants. Zebra lives in a group. The leader of zebra group is called stallion. The young one of zebra is called foal, F-O-A-L, foal. Zebras are lives in forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. This is bear, B-E-A-R, bear. There are many species of bear in the world, including polar bear, grizzly bear and cave bear. Bears are large, heavy and powerful animal. Mother bear is very sensitive and caring to their cub. Bear is a omnivorous animal. Omnivorous means it eats both plants and animals. Also, bears are like honey and termites. Young ones of bear are called cub, C-U-B, cub. Bears are lives in cave, C-A-V-E, cave. This is tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Tiger is a very intelligent and powerful animal. Tiger is a carnivorous animal. Carnivorous means it eats animals. Tigers are of different stripes such as orange, white and black stripes. These black stripes are helped to hide the tiger in forest so that it can be hunted easily. Conservation of tiger is very important for balance of nature. For conservation of tiger, the government of India has organized an event called Project Tiger. The young one of tigers are called cub, C-U-B, cub. The tigers are lives in cave, C-A-V-E, cave. Children, are you like singing? Yes, so let's enjoy it.
I am a tiger, the jungle strider. I've orange and black stripes. I purr and roar, you can't ignore. I always make you smile. I mark my ground all around. It is my territory. I love my space, I got it always. It's covered in big trees. I'm a wild big cat, and that is a fact. Siberian, Bengal, Sumatran and Chinese, they are all my subspecies.
This is deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Deer is a herbivorous animal, means they eat grass, leaves, fruit and various green plants that are found in forest. Deers are mainly found in Western Ghat. The various properties of the skin of deer are useful to manufacturing clothes and ornaments. There are more than 60 species of deer. A group of deer is usually called herd. The young one of deer is called fawn, F-A-W-N, fawn. Deers are lives in forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. This is monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Monkey jumps from tree to tree. Monkeys are found in most part of Asia, Africa and America. The nose of monkey is just like human, where the nostrils come down and is joined together. Mostly monkey eats nuts, fruits, seeds and flowers. Monkey have fur on their skin with long legs and a grasping tail, a kind of tail which can catch or hold anything. The young one of monkey is called infant, I-N-F-A-N-T, infant. Monkeys are lives on tree, T-R-E-E, tree. This is elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. An elephant is a largest land animal. Elephant has a long trunk from head to ground. Elephants are mostly found in forests of Africa and India. In the past, elephants are used in war. Elephants are useful for riding, digging, lifting objects and gathering food. The young one of elephant is called calf, C-A-L-F, calf. Elephants are lives in forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest.